guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, I'm going to use this thing now and shake my mouth. If you want to know how I make this juice for mouth odor to prevent your mouth for bacteria and all, I'm sorry guys about my hair. I want to make a video about hair, so that's why I leave it like this. And if you look forward to see the video how I make my hair after this one, I will upload this one. Then the next video is going to be my hair video. Okay, so if you want to know how I make this juice for bacteria, for mouth odor and all, watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you guys how to make this juice for mouth odor, not just for mouth odor, for bacteria, to prevent your mouth from smelly, you know, after a long day of putting mascara. Then this is what you need when you get home, and it's really nice for you. So guys, the first ingredient that we are going to be needing is our mint leaf. Okay, mint leaf is good to prevent mouth odor. It's very, very good. I've tasted it and I have tried it, and it's really nice to prevent mouth odor. I'm going to add my mint leaf to my pan. Guys, after adding your mint leaf to pan, the next thing that we are going to be adding is our clove. Okay, clove water is good to prevent mouth odor. It's really nice. You can use it in anything that you want to do about concerning your hair, remedies, mouth, anything. Is a great home remedy that is so good for you. Okay, so be adding this quantity of clove. I'm going to add my water because we are going to be boiling. Okay, little bit of water, not much. Next thing that we're going to do, let's go ahead and add to our gas. Guys, our clove and mint leaf is ready. Then after that, the next thing, we are going to sip out the water. This is our mint leaf. After that, the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to be adding lime. It's a great sauce that can help you in killing germs and a lot of things that is not good from your mouth. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to mix together. Then I'm going to be adding to my cup, which I'm going to be using this morning. You can add the rest to your fridge, so whenever you want to use it and shake your mouth, you just bring it out and hot it a little bit. Okay, make sure that it's warm whenever you want to use it. Okay, leave it for your mouth for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Shake your mouth very well. Leave it for a long time before you throw it off. Anytime you want to sleep, early morning, use it twice a day, or you can as well use it anytime of your choice. Okay, this is what I use in my house every time, and it's very nice. It prevents mouth odor. Not just mouth odor, it prevents bacteria from your teeth, from your mouth and all that. Okay, yes guys, and I'm going to be seeing you all on my next video. I'm going to show you how to use it and shake mouth. Okay, going to use this now. So guys, after using this, leave it for at least 2 minutes and make sure that it's hot a little bit before you use it. Before you shake your mouth, everything out of your mouth, then just keep on shaking. After like 1 or 2 minutes, you can go and throw it off and leave. I'm going to leave it for evening or next time as well. Whenever you want to use it anytime you feel like using it. Okay, makes your mouth to be scent and to look good and to look presentable. Okay, all right guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please do consider to subscribe to our channel So whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Bye guys.